guys, so welcome to my channel. Finally, drums rolling. I'm so happy I am finally doing this after a very long waiting period. I'm so happy I am finally doing this. So welcome. I am officially welcoming everyone that has followed my page, my channel. You are welcome. Thank you. So in this channel, I will be sharing my experience, my knowledge as a baker, and also recipe that has been working for me as a baker, and the tips and trick to be successful as a baker, even if you don't have any prior knowledge of baking, even if you don't have anything. I can share how I started my own without anything. How I started my business without anything, with nothing, and how the journey has been so far. I would love to share it with you guys here. So please, if you're seeing this, subscribe on your notification and you will never regret it. You will love this channel, I promise you. So for now, I'll be saying goodbye.